chesty. Oh, getting earthy with it. All kinds of 74 right there. Woo! Man, landing the flat's got to feel good in a onesie that's tight. Not bad. All right, send it. 10 more seconds, guys. Let's go. Heat number 1. Come on. Send it, send it, send it. These are our last riders of heat number 1. You got Jimmy Buffett. You got the little skittle behind him. Carmen's in the mix. Here they come, crowd. Come on, let's give them a little energy. Get them down here. These are the last riders of heat number 1. And the train keeps our eyes so happy. And we got the Shark, and we got Cartman still to go, and 15 still up there too. So 3 to 4 more riders. Sharky gets it. Oh! Keep on coming down. You're clear. You're clear. All right, here we go. Last rider coming down. Cartman. Oh, backflip the nothing.